Question 3. In circle O, segment CD is a diameter of the circle and intersects segment AB at point P to form a right angle. Segment CD is perpendicular to segment AB. Radii are drawn in as segments AO and segment BO. Isabel must write a 2-column proof to show that segment CD bisects segment AB. Which statements and/or reasons will be useful in her proof? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all correct answer choices. Okay, this is how I would go through and do this question. I would go back up and I would look at proofs. I would click the show all because I haven't gone through these questions. So I'm just looking for a proof that is similar to what we have. So this is kind of looking similar. I'm noticing that we have a lot of triangles. So the first one that I'm looking for is one that starts off with them being perpendicular. And we can prove that segment AB bisects segments DE. So the reason I was looking for starting off with perpendicular is because that's what we were given in our question, and they want us to prove that these segments bisect each other. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just list off the reasons. So the reasons. So the first reason is, okay, so reasons for when given perpendicular chords and prove they bisect. So the reason is given. The second reason is if two lines are perpendicular, then intersection forms 4 right angles. Definition of right triangle. All radii of circle are congruent. Reflexive property of congruence. Hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. This is the CP-CTC, definition of congruent triangles. CP-CTC. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent is what that one stands for. So then definition of segment bisector. So those are all the reasons. And so now I'm going to go back. If you didn't want to copy these reasons, you could duplicate this window and just leave that up as we were going through this. So jumping back to question 3, Isabel must write a 2-column proof. What statements and or reasons will be useful in her proof? Okay, so the CP-CTC, we had that listed right there. The side angles, the side could be, it's not necessary. I didn't see it in this. Definition of complementary angles, I didn't see that in our example. I did see hypotenuse leg congruence theorem, and I did see all radii are congruent right here on statement 4. So that's how I would use that example to just list out all of the reasons and use it to answer this question.